How to post different orientations on Instagram in one post, like so. Let's begin. Open Photoshop and drag the pictures you want to post. Press C, or click the crop tool. Make sure the aspect ratio is 1:1, square. Press Alt and drag either of the four corners until the whole image is within the crop, and enter. Now, do the same for the other image. Now go to File, Export, Save for Web. Or you can press Ctrl, Alt, Shift, S. After saving, your pictures are now ready to be posted. Now, transfer your pictures to your mobile phone. If only Instagram would allow us to post using PC, we wouldn't have to transfer every time we post. Since I'm an Android user, I use Google Drive to transfer from PC to my mobile phone. After transferring, simply go to your Instagram and start posting them lit photos without having the need to separate landscape and portrait photos. There you go. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below on what else you would like me to make a tutorial about, as fast as I can. Thank you for watching. Smiley face.